We get an announcement? Yeah, we do. That was a mistake. I'll be right back, though. Ooh, that's a lot of letters. Oh, that one will be from Red, won't it? Yep, there it is. Wait, 6 p.m. Is that a thing? How does Red work again? Is he 6 to 6? I haven't seen him, remember? Yeah, 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. So he's like Katrina, but at a different time. Okay. So I mean, I guess I can get him either day, but I could also wait and stream after 6. Although that could cause issues. Depending on the turnip deal today. It's Thursday after all. So if I'm not selling today, I'm probably selling tomorrow. Okay, so we already saw Gulliver. So I don't have to worry about that. Okay, let's go check out the little sports fair. So there's 4 events. I'm only going to see one, obviously, because they're in 2-hour blocks. He took a dive. Bro's got like a flare gun. Or something. That just looks like a normal gun to me. That's insane. Yeah, that's how that one goes. They just do a little race around there. There's also like there's aerobics, I think, in the morning before this. And then there's a ball toss and tug of war. I think the only one you can interact with is the aerobics, but we'll see that later when we actually do aerobics for ourselves in the summer. And we'll have to do a lot of that. We gotta do it 14 times in order to get the thing. That's gonna be a time, because I gotta be, like, on before 7 a.m. That's insanity. Okay, I get no furniture. The game hates me. It's kind of fun though. Like, I like events like this. They add character to the game. Just like there haven't been a lot since I started, to be honest. So he's gonna confirm. Strange that you ask. That's red. So he'll be here from 6 to 6, but I think as soon as I buy from him, he leaves. If I buy everything from him. So technically I want to wait tomorrow to check that day, because if I do buy from him on the Friday and he leaves, then it should decide the next visitor faster. Which is what I want. Obviously. That gives me, like, you know, it gives me the next thing a day sooner, essentially. So I should buy from him tomorrow rather than Saturday. Okay, bold check shirt. We don't need that. Again, this is just an item that I'm dropping in my house because I don't know where else to put it. My house is becoming problematic, I'd say. I need to, like, clean it up or find a better way to store this stuff. It's stored in a house, I guess. I don't know. Okay, let me see if I'm sentenced to selling today. Nope. Okay. So because it decreased the first day, I don't think there's any chance we actually will recover fully. And tomorrow will either be a spike, or there'll be a very high chance of it a decently high chance of it decreasing again. So we could get screwed. But you know, is what it is. So I might do 2 streams tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm still deciding. Because, like, if I was to stream after 6, it'd be usually after I eat dinner. And then I have other plans, I think. So that could be awkward timing-wise if I had to sell everything. And I probably will have to sell everything. So I might do 2 streams. We'll see. J-check shirt, we don't need that, though. Apparently. I don't recognize that, but... And obviously we have the heart shirt. That's a pretty easy one to remember. And what the heck is this? Is this like a melon one? No, monkey? I don't remember. Chi-Chi, okay. That is a pine table, I think, which I don't think we need. Nope. I don't know about this. What is this? Obviously a plant. Pothos? Pothos? Like... No, we don't need that. That's an exotic chair, right? Yeah, we don't need that. Okay. I think I saw something. The spring metal's like expensive, and it's like a good item to sell if you want money. Or sorry, I was reading about it, and it's like, this is the most expensive item to sell, which makes it a good target for duplication glitches. And I was like, oh, okay, interesting. It's like worth 14k, which is like, huh? Yeah, like that's like a decent amount of money. Okay, there you go. We got like 4 groups of 4 there. So if I buy another 4 tomorrow, then we're good. So the spring metal's in my house. I think I'm gonna grab a second spring metal because I'm paranoid. And it really doesn't take long, so I might as well. It says the temple will appear at 6 and stay until 6, but I think if you buy him out, he leaves. I don't know if like the site's gonna give me enough info on this. Oh, so it's the same people. Okay, that's just like insurance. If something weird happens, if it somehow gets lost, I have another one. Also, it takes like a minute to get it, so who cares? And then this. Oh, it's the other character that's storing stuff. Oops. Alright, well, I guess that's gonna be it. So, that's like the spring fair. There is a fall or autumn fair, whatever you want to call it. So that'll happen later on. Same deal, I think. Maybe the event, there's one difference, I don't know, but you get a different medal. So, what are you gonna do? Alright, I gotta get it. Wait, is there? What's it called? It's, yeah, autumn medal. Okay, anyway. So that is later. So what happened today? We got the spring medal, obviously, from the spring sports fair. No furniture from the trees. I remembered that Red shows up at 6 p.m. and he's gonna be here tomorrow. Turnips went up again, but still no spike, so it's gonna be like a tomorrow. I don't know. And then nothing new from the store. So yeah, we got this event done. April Fool's is coming up, which means we can get Super Cornimer. That's like, you know, just over a week and a half, 2 weeks, whatever. And then there's the Cherry Blossom stuff that happens after. So yeah, tomorrow I think I might do 2 streams because I have to sell my turnips probably. But I also want to show up after 6 to buy from Red, because if I do, I think he'll leave, and then that'll get a visitor showing up sooner probably. So if I can, any opportunity I have like that, it saves me like 1 day of waiting. So it's definitely worth it if I want to maximize my visitors. Anyway, so I think that's the plan for tomorrow. And then we'll finish up KK on Saturday. And I'm going to just like check out Red, because I haven't bought from him yet. I haven't seen him. This is the second time he's supposed to show up, but we missed him on the first one. So I'm going to like look at all the items, see if they're exclusive to him or if there's a mix, and we'll just go from there. Anyway, that's it. I'm out. Bye.